Hey, this is Anissa. Today we have for you the FlexFold 500 lumen solar stake light. Now this is one of the most versatile outside lights we've ever sold. This is great to use as accent lighting. It's wonderful to place anywhere in your landscaping. Plus, it's solar powered, so that means it charges all day and turns on automatically at night. That means there's no electricians to hire, there's no outlets. It's super easy to place anywhere you want. It's also great for security. That's because of the motion sensor. And you can mount this just about anywhere. I like mounting it near my garage because then I'm never coming home to a dark house. Best of all the mounting hardware is included. It's called FlexFold for a reason. Each of the light panels can be angled to exactly where you want the light to shine. And the solar panel is also adjustable for optimum charging. There's 3 modes of operation. Mode 1 is when it senses motion, it turns on to the full 500 lumens. Mode 2, which is my favorite, stays on low mode all night long. When it senses motion, it kicks up to max level and then dims down. Mode 3 stays on all night in a medium setting. You can control any of these modes with a simple push of a button. But if you've mounted it up high, who wants to climb a ladder? That's why they've included this remote. It's so easy to change any mode. But the best feature of all is our super low price. You're gonna want these all over the place so that when you buy more, you save more. Head on over to Pulse TV and grab a few today.